What's up, my dudes? Today I'm going to teach y'all how to make a very basic sigil with this phrase. So the phrase is, I attract big stacks of cash in abundance. This is something simple that you can work with. You don't necessarily have to use these specific words, but these are just what I'm going to be using. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out all the vowels. And then you're going to write down each of the letters. If any of them are repeating, then you also want to cross them out. Now that you have all the vowels removed and all the double letters, you're going to start creating a symbol with these letters. Now, me personally, I like to start it in sort of a back and forth motion. So I'm going to start from the front, go to the end, and then go back and forth. You can just go straight from the start and then do all the letters, or you can start from the back and do all the letters. It doesn't really matter, just however way you feel like fits you, however way you feel like doing it. And there you have it. That's the finished sigil. Now you can go through and create this a different way. Maybe go through, maybe connect different layers of the letters, or maybe you can overlap some of them. But this is just a very basic way that you can go about creating a sigil. And once you have the sigil, you can either write a specific phrase on the back of this. So if you wanted to use this in a spell, you can write your initials in the center. And then if this is something you want to bring towards you, you can do it clockwise. If you wanted to remove something, you could do it anti-clockwise. And then once you're done with this, you can either lick this or spit on it or whatever. And then you can turn this back over and you can burn this, or you could add it to a petition. If you wanted to, you could add this to a spell or a spell candle. There's multiple different ways that you can use petitions, and also different ways that you can go about creating your sigil. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and leave in the comments different ways that you would like to use your sigils, or different sigils that you would like to know. Have a good day, night, life. Enjoy yourself. Be happy.